Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pilar Vlogs USA. For today's video is I am gonna take a shower, a cold water. Because in my previous vlogs, I took a warm water. So this time, I am gonna try for a cold water. It's gonna be my first time in here, America, to take a cold water. As in completely cold, okay? No warm mix, just cold. Ever. Oh my gosh, I don't know if I am ready for this. It's gonna be so cold. Okay, I'm gonna start now and I am gonna turn on the cold water in my shower. Let's go! I am just gonna show you guys that I am really taking the cold water, okay? Here. You can see that, that's letter C, it means cold. And then, this one, letter H, it means hot. And here is the cold water. Oh my gosh, it's so cold! Ah! It's gonna be freezing, guys! Oh my gosh! Woo! Am I ready? I'm not sure if I am ready for this. Oh! Oh! Oh, it's so cold! Ah! Oh my gosh! Oh, it's so cold! Oh my goodness, guys! It's so cold, it's freezing cold! Oh my gosh, it's so cold! I don't know if I'm ready for this! It's so cold! My legs! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! It's so cold! Oh, it's so cold! Oh my goodness! It's freezing cold, guys! Babasahin ko na ba? It's so cold, guys! Oh my goodness! Help me! Oh my goodness! It's so cold. It's so cold. It's so cold. I don't know if I can take this longer, guys. Okay. I don't know if I can take this longer, guys, because it's so really cold, guys. Okay, guys. I am gonna count 1, 2, 3, and then I am gonna get my hair wet. Here in the cold shower, my head, because my hair is not really full wet, so, oh my gosh, I'm so shaking. Ah! Okay, count, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It's so cold! My face turns red now. I cannot. No! No way! Guys! Guys, hindi ko to kaya. Promise! Guys, I'm sorry but I failed. Guys, it's so cold, guys. I cannot even finish this. Guys, I am gonna switch it to warm water so that I can finish washing my hair with shampoo, because I really cannot take this cold, super cold. I'm shaking.
And my hands freezing already.
And oh my gosh, I cannot. Guys, I'm gonna warm it, please. I'm gonna warm it, guys. Sorry. It's so cold. I cannot take this anymore. I'm gonna switch it to warm water, okay? This is much better, guys. I like this way. Okay? So, this is feel much better. I cannot take the cold water, the really, really cold one. No way. Much better. Oh my goodness, much better. Much better. I like this one. Warm. Oh, I can hold this longer. Wow. I like this much better. So cool. So, I'm gonna wash my hair from that shampoo. I'm gonna get the shampoo again. This is much better, guys. I'm not freezing anymore. I like this much better, guys. Oh my goodness. Cannot. And now is conditioner. Next is the soap. I'm gonna take a soap. Alright guys, I'm done. I'm satisfied now. It's not cold. So, I am done. If you want to see my previous LIGO challenge, there's a link in the description box. I put it in there. And then, just click it and watch the playlist. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also please hit the bell, guys, so that you're gonna be updated for my new uploads. Hello, Team Premier! Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Shout out to all of you. I hope you enjoyed my show again.